Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to explain that there's going to be a little pause on this build because basically I've started this over the Christmas period, and now in a couple of days' time I've got to go back to work for a few months. I live in Portugal, but I work in the UK, so I flick between the two. So now, like in a couple of days' time, I'm going to be driving back to the UK for a few months' work. But what I wanted to let you guys know is I won't. So this build will be paused and probably realistically until May. But what I wanted to do with the channel is kind of show like updates in what I'm doing in the real world, like on big scale. So the boats I'm working on currently in the UK. And also a few other model related stuff. With the work in the UK, I have to talk to my my bosses first, because there's confidentiality issues with big private builds. But we'll see. So hopefully they'll let me show you some footage of that, and that'll be interesting. And then there's a local model museum, I've been told, that's in Lowestoft. I thought that could be quite cool content, and maybe do a weekly updates with what I'm doing at work. And also there's I'd like to try and help. One of the ideas of the channel is trying to help people get involved in making boats, either in full size or like at home, like model making. And so over this summer, I want to design a plan for like a small pilot cutter that's going to be easier to build than something like one of these J-classes, and maybe a lot smaller as well. So I thought that's what I'm going to do in my time when I'm in the UK, is get some plans drawn up, and then in the summer we can do like a build like log alongside this one, showing the two. So this is more of like an advanced build, and then we can do like a more one that's more beginner, maybe more beginner and more accessible. I thought that could be quite a cool idea for the channel. Yeah, and I'll do my best to try and keep a weekly update of what I'm doing in the UK, because I thought it'd be quite good. It could be quite a good contrast for you to see, like this scale and then big scale. But the workshop stuff won't be like what's the word? The workshop stuff won't be, I don't want to say high quality. The workshop stuff won't be high production value, because I wouldn't never, I can't make videos like in work time. But what I can do is maybe after work take little short like video clips of the project I'm working on, and maybe other projects in the yard, if I'm allowed to, and then have a little voiceover explaining what I'm going to do there. So yeah, that's the plan. And once again, thank you very much for watching and subscribing. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate that. And if you guys can give me any comments, feedback, advice, I'd be very much interested in hearing that, and I'll reply to anything that I'm given. Okay, bye for now. So, we said goodbye to them.